Every beginner needs to try out this CPA marketing free traffic method to start making money online with CPA marketing. But before I do jump right into the details of the strategy, if you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I make videos on cool ways to make money online, and if you like such content you can scroll through the channel. There are a lot of cool videos right here that could help you out. You could also make sure you hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to always get alerted whenever I release some videos to help boost your income online. Now for a bonus right here, you may want to check out the first link in the description of the video. That link is going to lead you to an amazing course right now, and this course is actually going to enable you going to setting up a 3 hours YouTube work plan that can enable you earn up to $2,000 to $3,000 every single month with YouTube right now. This is for people interested in making money online with YouTube. And right now guys, as you can see, there is actually an offer available for you to go on to downloading or purchasing this course for just $50 right now. If you do purchase this today before the 1st of April 2024, you're going to go on to saving up to $150 right now. So if you do go on to purchasing this after this date right now, you're going to be purchasing this for about $199. So why not purchase this today, as this is an amazing course. You can just simply click on the first link in the description of the video and go on to gaining access to this page where you can see much more details about the course, the earning proofs of the course, and also some cool and amazing videos that are going to show you how legit this course actually is. So go on to leveraging that and come onto this page. So jumping right back into the video of today, I'm going to be utilizing the CPA marketing platform, and you should do also right now. You just need to come onto the platform called cpagrip.com, click on the register icon if you don't have an account, and create an account by filling this form right now. So you can see that you don't necessarily need to feed all the fields of this particular form. You just need to focus on the fields with the red asterisk signs, and if you do fill out all those fields, agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes out right now, you can go on to clicking on register and get your account created. Now once your account has been created, it is quite easy to log into your account. Once you do log into your account, you want to come onto this page where you can see multiple CPA offers to promote. And to get to this page, you just need to go on to clicking on the offer tools option on this list. A drop down list will be shown to you. Select my offers. You will be brought to a page that looks similar to this. Now you can filter your offers to get offers from the United States, because the traffic source we're going to be utilizing to get traffic to this offer gets most of its traffic from the United States. So you can just simply see much more CPA marketing offers available to the United States demographic. And there are a lot of cool offers for you to actually go on to grabbing hold of. You can scroll through and you can see how amazing these offers actually are. Now for you to go on to promoting this offer right now, maybe you want to select an offer. I could just simply select this offer, and this is actually a kind of a sweepstake offer or a giveaway offer that gives my leads the chance to earn up to $4,500 cash prize. And all they need to do is to enter their information now for a chance to win. As you can see right now, the information which they need to enter is just their email address and zip code, and all they actually need to do is to enter their email address and zip code utilizing this my unique affiliate link, which you can see right now in this section. If they do that to get onto the page and submit their email address while utilizing an Apple iOS device right now, I'm going to get paid $1.02 for every person that completes that. And mind you, every single person that I'm promoting the offer to needs to come from the United States for me to actually gain some cool traffic and earn some cool cash with this particular offer. So to promote the offer right now, you just need to copy the link and go on to promoting this to people in the United States to start earning some cool cash. Now before you create or start promoting this link, it is quite important that you create a simple landing page. And landing pages are actually kind of like squeeze page or bridge pages that actually act like a link your leads to your CPA marketing offers. They channel your leads to your CPA offers, and you could create landing pages from platforms like sites.google.com, otherwise known as Google Sites, Breezy Cloud, Webflow, Systeme.io, GetResponse.com, Warrior Plus, and the list keep going on and on. There are a lot of platforms that you could use to easily create landing pages. And once you come onto platforms like Breezy Cloud and create a landing page, maybe if you're finding it difficult creating landing pages on such kinds of platforms, you just need to check out my channel OJ Marketing. Click on this search icon beside the community section, and you just need to go on to typing in landing page. If you do type in landing page right now and click on enter, It's going to take you to some cool videos I created that teaches you how to create landing pages right now. So each video right now is on a very different platform or a different landing page builder site. You can see this is for systeme.io, this is for Google Sites, this is for Webflow, this is for Breezy Cloud. So check out all videos and create an amazing landing page. So now once you successfully created a landing page and link that to your CPA offer, the next thing is to grab the landing page link and promote that utilizing a very cool platform called the classifiedads.com. It's an amazing platform which you want to leverage to get a lot of traffic to your CPA offers. And mind you, I'm going to show you an amazing way to get more traffic just by utilizing this website right now. And guys, not only is this method going to be able to get you cool and amazing traffic, you can also get a lot of traffic with the next method I'm going to show you right now. That is even quite much more than that of classifiedads.com. So all you need to do is to come onto the platform called classifiedads.com, click on this post and ad for free, and you just need to come onto this section, select the category of the ad. Maybe I'm just going to select something like services or something quite reasonable right now. I'm just going to select this. And for the subcategory, there are a lot of subcategories which you could focus on. Maybe I'm just going to select something like marketing services, and you want to select the location right now. Maybe I'm just going to put in something like Texas because that's actually in the United States. And you can see some options right here to select from. This is the Texas city. This is Texas state. I'm just going to select one, and you just need to go on to inserting the title for the offer, adding an asking price, a description, give a detailed description of the offer, and make sure your link is actually available in the description. You could also go on to put in something like, maybe after typing in your description, put in something like click here, and after typing that which says click here, you just need to highlight this, click on this particular chain icon, and you just need to paste in that particular link right now. Click on OK, such that once somebody clicks on this section that says click here, it's automatically going to take them to your landing page link or your CPA marketing offer right now. So make sure you do put in a detailed description before putting in something like this. Now you also need to fill out all these other details such as your name, email address, phone details, and actually fill out everything, including adding a very cool image to promote the offer. Then go on to posting the ad for free. Now this doesn't actually stop here. After posting your ad for free on the platform, you just need to go on to grabbing the domain which is called the classifiedads.com. So if I do grab this domain right now from the HTTPS section, all I need to do is to head onto this platform called the sitelike.org. So you can see the domain right here called sitelike.org. So once you do come onto the platform, you just need to come to this section that says example, paste in that right now. That is the link which you copied, that is the domain of classifiedads.com, and click on search. Now what this is actually going to do for us is that it's going to go on to helping us search for alternative websites to classifiedads.com. And if I scroll through right now, you can see it got about 33 classifiedads.com alternatives that you can actually use to go on to posting ads for absolutely free. You can see the first one right here is called the global-free-classifiedads.com. You can actually see more categories about this. If you want to gain access to the platform, just simply click on this icon right now to navigate to the website. And you can see the next one right here called the freead1.net. Keep on scrolling through. This is the USA Online Classifieds.com, and this is the adlandpro.com. So the more you scroll through, the more you see much more cool and amazing platforms that you could easily go into promoting your ads for free and make some cool cash. And I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to check out the first link in the description of the video to gain access to this amazing course to help you make money on YouTube. Don't also forget to hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.